Hi, this is Scott and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. Looking for a Ram? Can't beat this one right here. This is a 2014 Ram 1500. Stock number is 7345. On this virtual video walkaround, we're going to show you this truck up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Super duper clean exterior, as you can tell. No dings, no dents, no scrapes, no scratches. This 4x4, of course, comes equipped with a tow package. Dual exhaust. Sunset Ford does offer warranty protection for life, oil changes for life at no extra cost to you. And we'll give you more information on that. Take notice of the interior here in the rear. Ample legroom. And putting you here in the driver's front seat, you're going to see absolutely fully loaded leather. Easy access to all the controls within arm's length. Backup camera, GPS, it's all there. Low miles. For more information on this truck or any others in our inventory, it's huge. Call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet with you. Better yet, hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.